Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where dynamic lock is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select sign in options. Scroll down, there's something called as dynamic lock. This is not activated by default. You have to check this box, allow Windows to lock your device when you are away. This is how you will activate dynamic lock. Now in most probability it will work. If it does not, then you will have to update the Bluetooth driver. So search for device manager and open device manager and expand the list of Bluetooth devices. Okay, find the MediaTek Bluetooth adapter, right click and update it to the latest version so that it supports dynamic lock, and then update your computer as well. So right click on the start button and select settings. Okay, and then go to Windows Update, click on check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.